first class. It's an E170.
E170.
Yeah, an Embraer 170.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, we've flown on a
I'm
few of
flying
these, I think.
solo in first class. It's like, where's my drink?
Oh yeah, look at the cockpit. Look at that there. In the cockpit.
Embraer made by Brazil. So, fairly new. It's about 12 years old.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we've flown on a few of these. These are nice little planes.
Taking my sunglasses off.
We're actually going overseas in a couple months.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going over to Southeast Asia.
Yeah, we fly everywhere from South America to Caribbean to Canada, the States.
Oh yeah.
How long have you been flying?
I've been flying since 1989.
Oh yeah.
Oh
That's
yeah.
when I first took my first private.
Oh yeah.
So a long time. Long time.
It's pretty cool. I'll get your picture there, Brandon.